Hello everyone, it's another interesting aspect of this show, a very interesting one. Thank you so much for being with me on this program. I must appreciate you all for taking all the time to always view my videos. My name is Daniel Elisha Avakaf. I am your favorite sex educationist, and today I'm going to be talking about a very interesting topic on how the eggs is being fertilized. That is how a woman gets pregnant. A lot of people don't understand this process. I'm so sure that so many of you will be wondering what is right behind me, but trust me, it's not something strange. After this video, you are going to find it very interesting. This is my YouTube channel. I will encourage you all to come along with me as I take these very few minutes of yours to explain this very critical and crucial topic that so many people don't understand. So today I'm going to be talking about how the sperm fertilizes the egg and how pregnancy begins. In human beings, it is generally believed that humans, that is the female, they ovulate every 28 to roughly, let me say roughly every month. That is about 30 days average. And it is strongly believed that pregnancy, a normal pregnancy in human beings, occur at every 9 months. That is, if a woman is pregnant, she occurs at 9 months. But I'm so sure that several people don't believe or don't know. Let me use the word believe. Don't know how this pregnancy occur in them. So today I'm going to be teaching you vividly how pregnancy occurs in human beings. That is, in we humans. I've made a video on how to calculate your menstruation, to know your fertile and also your safe period when you have sex and you get pregnant, when you have sex unprotected and you'll be safe. Scroll down my profile, you'll see the page there, my channel. You'll see the page there, you'll see the video there. Always watch my video, and I will encourage you to always come with me and watch this video to the end. Today there are three diagrams on the board here. Diagram number 1, diagram 2, and diagram 3. So this is a simple illustration on how the reproductive aspects or the reproductive organ of a lady appears to be inside. These are the ovaries, this is the fallopian tube, this is the uterus, this is the vagina, this is the cervix, and that's how it be. This is the diagram of the human egg. That is the egg that is being fertilized. This is the diagram of the sperm. Here I'm going to be labeling these things. This is the membrane. This is the cytoplasm. This is the nucleus. And here we have the ovary, where the eggs or the ovum are produced. This is the fallopian tube. Here we have the cervix. Here we have the opening of the uterus, which is also known as the vagina. Here we have the uterus wall. This is letter U. And here we have the head of the sperm. This is the neck region, and this is the tail that helps in its locomotion. This is the sperm, the egg slash ovum. This is the diagram of female reproductive organ. So I'm done with the labeling. Don't worry, I'm going to explain vividly how every step by step how everything occurs. So how does fertilization occur? In my previous video that I made mention of earlier on, I was talking about how to calculate your ovulation days, to know when you have sex unprotected and you get pregnant, and when you have sex unprotected and you conceive. So today I'm going to be talking about this very aspect, how pregnancy occurs. This is the opening of the uterus, which is also known as the vagina. This is where the penis is being inserted. That means penis. During sexual intercourse, that is coitation, when it is happening, this is where the penis is being inserted into the vagina. And when the sperms are released here, the sperms flow up. Some go to this place, some come to this other area, direction of flow. And what are they looking for? They are looking for eggs, these eggs to fertilize. And if a woman is in her ovulation period, or she is in her menstruation period, the mature egg or ovum is going to be released here. This is the site of production, the ovum, where the mature eggs are produced. They are going to be released here, and it will follow this process coming up here into the uterus. It will be coming here looking for eggs to fertilize. And if peradventure one egg is released here and it meets a sperm here, it will then fertilize. This is where, between here and here, it is where the fertilization of the egg occur, or the ovum occur. So if the egg is fertilized here, it will come back and attach itself to the uterus wall, also known as the womb. It will attach itself here, and that is any aspect of this wall in this region. This is where the womb is. This is where the womb is. So now the embryo will start developing. Any fertilized egg is called a zygote, or an embryo. It will start developing here, and here it lasts for a period of 9 months. That is why we say in human beings it is believed that the pregnancy in every human being is 9 months. So if it is fertilized here, it will come up here and attach its body here, and it will last for 9 months. What aspect or what part of the sperm fertilizes the ovum? Let me explain. In sperm, we have mainly 3 parts of it. We have the head, we have the neck region, and we have the tail. This tail is like a flagellum that helps in its locomotion. As it's flipping this tail, it will be swimming from here to looking for eggs to come, following this tube. This place is called fallopian tube. So from here it will be swimming up to the ovary in search of egg. And if in case there is no egg, if a woman is in a safe period, nothing will happen, no ovulation, because there will be no eggs to fertilize. But if in case she is in a fertile period and the egg is paraventure released here, then the egg will be fertilized. Remember, I told you in my other video that eggs last 5 days in the womb of a woman, or in the body of a woman. So if paraventure your ovulation is on the 5th day and you have sex unprotected 5 days earlier on the 5th day, there's still high possibility that your egg, when released here, will be fertilized. So this is the aspect from here. This is the aspect of the sperm that fertilizes the egg. So this head entirely enters the sperm. So let's assume this is the neck region and this is the head. The entire neck region and the head it will enter into the ovary, and it will come and attach itself with this nucleus. Part of this is also here contains the DNA. So it is this is the sperm of the man that it will enter here. The DNA aspect and the head of it will enter into the sperm, and it will attach itself to this ovary. And segregation, what we call segregation, or mitosis, will start occurring. It will divide into 2, into 4, into 8, into 16, 32, and that is how it will keep multiplying until it turns to a zygote or an embryo. So the multiplication will lead to the formation of an embryo, which is also known as a child. And the entire process of the development of an embryo or a zygote is 9 months in human beings. So that is the entire process. So this head will enter into the ovary, and it will fertilize the head attaching itself to this multiplication will occur, and that is how it will start multiplying. And the entire process happens in the womb. I told you this is the uterus. This entire region is the uterus. It's also known as the womb, where the the entire process of development of an embryo occur. So after 9 months, the child will now come out through the vagina here, and is known as childbirth. So I believe you must have learned something new in this video today. I'll play it with you, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this video and encourage your friends to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being a part of this family. Our decision and our determination is to go head up, and nobody is going to stop us by God's grace. Thank you so much. I remain by name Daniel Elisha Avakab, your favorite sex educationalist. Thank you once again for viewing my channel. Have a nice time. Bye.